Alright, so we have been asked to find the BC. We have been asked to find BC like that. So here under the cosine loom, we have this formula which says a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a, like that. So here what you have to see here that we have small letters a. So if you look here, we have capital letter A, capital letter B, and capital letter C. So where can we find these small letters A, which is A, B, and C, that you are supposed to replace in this formula? So these small letters are, you can find them by saying A, this capital letter A, the opposite of this capital letter A, this opposite A is small letter a, and then the opposite of this capital letter B, A, just opposite there, this side is a small letter b, and then E, C, the opposite of this side of this capital letter C is C, small c, like that. So after that, you can now start replacing. So here we have A, which is, we don't have anything here, so I'm just going to say a squared is equal to, since we're finding a, that's what we're supposed to find, which is bc. Okay, so here b, we have b, opposite of b we have small letter b, which is 12 kilometers. So I'm going to say 12 kilo, we're going to say 12 squared. Even if you don't like the kilometers, it's okay. You're just going to say 12 squared plus c squared. So c is 5 kilometers, 5 kilometers squared, like that. So this is squared minus 2, and then you open the brackets. B, we have 12, and then multiply by c, which is 5 kilometers, and then you close the bracket, you say cos a. So a, this capital letter A represents the angle, which is here, which is 70 degrees, right there, 70 degrees. So here you're supposed to write 70 degrees, which here we replace A with 70 degrees, which represents the angle, like that. So after that, after writing like that, we're going to say A squared is equal to 12 squared, which is 144, plus 5 squared, which is 25, minus here, if you will multiply this, you punch this in your calculator, starting from -2, open bracket, 12 times 5, close bracket, cos 70. This will give you 41.0424, like that. So after that, you're going to say you're going to add these two. So 144 plus 25, 144 plus 25, this will be let me just let it, a squared is equal to 144 plus 25. This will equal to 169, like that. So 144 plus 25, that's 169. 169 minus 41.0424, like that. So this will give you, so this will give us 127, like that, 0.95 7582, like that. So here we have a squared, like that. So we don't want a squared, we just want a. What are we going to do in order to get rid of this squared? We're going to introduce the square roots, like that. So this, introduce the square root on this side, even on the other side, like that. So these two and this square root to cancel each other, leaving behind a, like that. So a is equal to the square root of 127 point whatever, like that. So the square root of 127.9 this will be 11.3118337.5, like that. So a therefore is equal to 11.3. So if we round it off to be 11.3 kilometers, like that. So this is our a. So therefore BC is equal to 11.3 kilometers, like that. So that's how we can find a distance under the cosine formula. So what if we wanted to find the area? So if we have been asked to find the area, so let's say okay, let's just say 2. Let's just find the area of this right angle, of this 9 right angle triangle. So how can you find the area of this triangle? So to find the area, you are going to say area my pen has run out of ink. This fake Chinese pens. Area is equal to 1 over 2 BC sine A, like that. So after writing like that, you're going to say 1 over 2. So B A. So B A we have so B, which is B A we have. So you go back to your triangle. The triangle will be given B, which is 12 kilometers, and then C, which is 5 kilometers, like that. And then you come and replace A. So where there is B, you replace with the 12 times the, so this, you can see that this is being multiplied times 5 cross bracket, and then you say sine A. So A, there will always be sine A, sine whatever this letter will be. But here there will always be sine, not cos, not tan, but sine A, always, just like that. So sine, and then you take A represents the angle. So the angle we have A is 70 degrees. 70 degrees. So you write 70 degrees A from the triangle that you have been given, 70 degrees. So after writing like that, you you multiply 1 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 5 multiplied by sine 70. So if you multiply that, that will give you this will give you 12 multiplied by 5 multiplied by sine 70. This will give us 56.38155.725, like that, over 2. This 2, don't forget about this 2. So this 2, so this divided by 2, this will give us 28.19077.862, like that. So therefore the area of this 9 right angle triangle is equal to 28 point, you round it off like that. So this will be 28.2 kilometers squared, like that. So that's how you can find the area, like that. So that's it, like that. Sharp work. Don't forget to subscribe.